In this video, I will tell you a trick regarding slope and deflection for cantilever beam. So let's start with the trick. The trick is 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. The numerator is for slope and denominator is for deflection. The first one is for bending moment M. Second one is for point load P. Third one is for UDL and the fourth one is for UVL. For the case of cantilever beam, when the loading condition is bending moment, the formula of slope is theta ml upon EI. Here the power of L is 1 and the coefficient of EI is also 1. So you can see we have used 1. The formula for deflection is ml square upon 2 EI. The power of L is 2 and the coefficient of flexural rigidity 2. So we have used 2. Now for concentrated point load P, the formula for slope is PL square upon 2 EI. We have used 2, it is written 2, and the formula for deflection is PL cube upon 3 EI. We have used 3 for deflection. Now for UDL, the formula for slope is WL cube upon 6 EI. We have used the power of L as 3 because we have written 3. This is the case of distributed load, so we have multiplied 2 in the 3. What is the value of deflection? This is WL power 4 upon 8 EI. Since we have multiplied 2 in 3, so we have also multiplied 2 in 4, so it become 8. In the case of UVL, the formula for slope is WL cube upon 24 EI. I will tell you from where 24 come. And deflection is WL4 upon 30 EI. Since the maximum power of L is 3 in the case of slope and maximum power of L is 4 in the case of deflection. So we can't change it. We can change the coefficient of flexural rigidity. Since in the case of UDL we have multiplied 2, so similarly in the case of UVL we have to multiply it by 6. You have to remember it. We have to multiply it by 6. So it will become 24 and 5 become 30. These are the very simple formula. You need not to make any series. You can simply write 1 2 2 3 3 4 and 4 5 and directly use these formulas. If you will say I will make a trick on simply supported beam and fixed beam also, Thank you.